Working with components. In this video, we'll cover how to create a new component and content schema components. All editable content on Tridion websites is contained in components. Components are easy to edit, as they are just a series of text boxes, options to choose from, and/or slots used to insert content from other components, such as an image component. The possible fields that can be filled out for each component depend on the component type, or schema, which is chosen when a component is created. The most common schema you will see when editing in Tridion is the content schema. The content schema is used so often because it can be used to add text and images to a page, and text and images happen to make up the majority of content on YSM websites. To create a new content component, first navigate to an appropriate location in the building blocks folder. Where you create a component doesn't affect your site. Just make sure that your components are well organized so it's easy to locate them later. You can think of building blocks as your My Documents folder for Tridion components. After finding a suitable location for the new component, switch to the Create tab in the Tool ribbon, then click the New Component button. First, name the component. The component name will only appear in the Tridion editing interface, not on your website, so make the name as descriptive as possible. Then, in the Schema drop-down menu, select Content. The content schema is a versatile type of component, which means it has many fields. However, in most cases, you'll only need to use a few of these fields. The most commonly used fields are Title. The text entered in the title field will appear in large font at the top of a page. Introduction text for summaries. This field is not always necessary, but if a component uses a summary template, the text that displays pulls from this field. Text in tables. This is the one field that is required for every content component. Any text entered in the Text in Tables field will appear as body text on a page. You can either type new text directly into the field, or copy and paste it from another program, such as Microsoft Word. Image. If an image should appear along with the text entered in the Text in Tables field, the image should be inserted here. Image options. There are multiple fields considering the way an image will display on a page. In-depth information about image options can be found in the support section of the web group website. Paragraph. The Add and Delete buttons here allow you to generate multiple paragraphs within a single content component so that you can add multiple images and/or headings in your body text. Whenever you're finished editing a component, make sure to save, then close the component. You can do this by switching to the Home tab, then clicking Save and Close. If you are ever working on a single component for an extended period of time, you should click the Save button periodically to preserve your work. Thank you for watching. Please see our other introductory videos for additional guidance on the basic use of Tridion.